It's your boy Santana the Don. Today, throwing on some carbon style cosmetic mods for the Mazda3 TURBO. I don't even know if it's gonna work or fit. It should be universal, but I'll throw a picture of how it looks on AliExpress. But hopefully it fits. I got the canards like a month ago. I took it off because I wanted to throw them on together with the wing. I didn't really like how I put it on the first time, so I'm gonna redo it. Hopefully it looks better this time around. But the wing is the one I'm mostly excited for, so let's see how that goes. It's gonna be a short video, probably like 5-10 minutes tops. Kind of cut it down. I'm gonna head on out, see if we could throw this on the car real quick. Gotta take off the tape that I had on the canards already.
Daddy, let me stick it on.
Daddy got it. Almost done. And we're gonna put 3M tape. Come on, baby.
1, 2, 3.
3M. 3M.
3M?
Yeah, 3M tape.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're at the park now.
Yeah, we're in the park today.
Let's go put on this stuff.
Daddy,
Yeah, put your shoes on. Oh, the car is dirty. Can't even see it, but oh, yep, you can see it. The car's dirty. Hey, baby. Yeah? Huh? Yeah, you gotta put your shoes on, baby. I think we're gonna start with the spoiler first. Hey, baby. Yeah. Super windy out here. Trying to put on this canards quick. It's pretty windy out here. Trying to knock it out as fast as I can. Still keep it looking good. Shabby. Yeah, that's coming out. Couldn't get it to stay properly, but it's the best I could do. Still not too bad. The wing looks amazing. It's the best part right now. Like how it looks? It's pretty.
Yeah. I'm gonna be happy at you.
Yeah.
Look at all this.
What do you like the most, the front or the spoiler? You like the one in the back?
Two of them.
You like both of them?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's go now.
Huh?
Let's go. Can you say like, comment, and subscribe?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
All right.